Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace engine air filter Honda CRV 2010. Start by parking safely and letting the engine cool, then open the hood and prop it securely. Locate the rectangular airbox near the front right of the engine bay, undo the clips or screws, lift the lid, remove the old filter, clean the housing, insert the new filter with proper orientation, and reseal the lid. Gather basic tools and a new OEM filter before you begin, and keep a rag handy to catch debris. Work with the engine cool and avoid forcing clips or screws to prevent damage. Confirm the filter orientation and seat the rubber seal fully to stop unfiltered air. After installation, run the engine briefly, recheck the clips, and record the mileage for your next scheduled replacement. If the new filter fits poorly or you hear air noise, stop and inspect the airbox for broken tabs, warped lid, or crushed filter edges. Use a flashlight to check intake hoses for cracks and visually inspect the MAF sensor for contamination. If rough idling continues after a proper install, clean the MAF sensor or consult a mechanic. Keep clear records of filter changes and mileage for future maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.